Have you ever felt lost in the SEO jungle? Struggling to get your content noticed? It's frustrating when quality content gets overshadowed by links and keywords, isn't it? Meet Surfer, the revolutionary tool designed to optimize your content so it ranks higher on Google and LLMs. With Surfer, you get 3 key benefits. 1. On-page optimization that works. Surfer analyzes over 500 ranking signals, ensuring your content aligns with what Google wants. 2. AI-powered enhancements. Our AI features refine your content automatically, making it not only readable but optimized for search. 3. Collaborative workflow. Share, comment, and enhance your content seamlessly without extra costs or complicated permissions. While Ahrefs excels in keyword research and backlink analysis, Surfer stands out with its focus on content optimization, making it the ultimate solution for your SEO strategy. Don't get left behind. Elevate your content game today. Visit our website now and start your journey with Surfer.